Hey, if you give me 1 lakh rupee for running meta ads for a fashion brand, here's how we can run ads. So before we run meta ads, we need to think about the funnel. So what funnel? For example, we are running e-commerce funnel for running the ads because there is a e-com brand. So first we need to figure out what their pricing is. So on an average, their pricing is, you can say, 800 rupees for one product, one t-shirt. So first we need to run ads according to funnel. So first is awareness, interest, consideration, intention, conversion, and retention. This is the funnel. And according to that, we create our advertisement. According to Meta Andromeda update, now you don't need to create separate ads campaign for now, because here you can test multiple ad creative on this funnel type of ad creative on ad set. So how? So first, if you tell me, okay, Shubhajit, I give you a 1 lakh rupee, you run my ads. Here's how I run ads. First, I create one ads campaign. Okay, one ads campaign. Here, I create three ad set. First ad set is for new peoples. Second ad set is for look like target audience, and third ad set is for targeting. And I go on this later, like in the budget, how per day budget. So first, I run sales campaign directly. I run sales campaign, and here I just choose one ad set, and here I target new peoples. But here I create multiple ad creatives. What type of ad creative? First, we create a founder story reels. Well, tell I'm the founder. This is my product. This is my idea. This is the thing. Second, problem versus solutions. Ad creative. Then catalog carousels, customer testimonial 1, customer testimonial 2, UGC means user generated content. You hire an influencer or any random person and create the ad for you. Second, UGC, and us versus them, like your computer directly. And here you can see we create multiple ad creative according to the funnel, and we just give one ad section and we run ads. So here is the main ad set that we need to focus. That's why here we spend 5,000 rupee per day. Second ad set is 1,000 rupee per day. Here we create look-like audience which you have already customer with them or have any transaction with you. So here we select one four creatives. What four creatives? First, we run catalog ads, same ads, catalog ads. Here we run UGC one, UGC two, us versus them. And third, here you can get maximum conversions. Here is the retargeting. So according to your website traffic, according to your social media page, we create a retargeting campaign. Here we spend 2,000 rupees per day. Here we share founder story deal, customer testimonials too, and us versus them. After 7 day, here you need to think how we can optimize. So you need to optimize for ROS, because here we have created multiple testing purposes ads. Now first, in the 7 day, we need to check which ad creative give you sales, which their CTR clicks. There is the most important term. After that, you need to go to your insight of Meta, and you need to check which copy, like headline, give you sales, or which has more CTR. And gradually, if you get sales, for example, after the 7 day, on this ad set, this give you sales. So you just turn it on. If this not give you sales, just cross it down, like just turn off this. And after that, for example, here we spend 5,000 rupees per day. We need to spend 20 to 30% ad budget. We need to increase 20 to 30%. We not gradually shift 5,000 to 10,000. No, our ad like result will be crashing down. So that's why this is the scaling formula. Or if you think all of the thing I tell you, you need to create through AI. So there will be a option. It's called GrowTake AI. If you search on Google, like I just tell you, search on Google GrowTake AI, and here you can see. And also in this, I think in my left side, you can see this video is optional for you to watch. So how you can run meta ads using AI, using this GrowTake AI tool. So just visit growtech.com, I try GrowTake AI, or you just watch this video, and here you can have clarity full how GrowTake AI will run ads and optimize your ads automatically. And if you think okay, this video is helpful for you, just hit a like button or comment us for your next suggestion. And after all, thank you and bye.